Parents, have you ever looked at your child and thought, why do they look so skinny? Why aren't they growing like other kids? Maybe they're pale, they don't eat well, or they just don't have the energy. If that sounds familiar, you're in the right place. Hi, I'm Dr. Jackson. Today, I'll share a simple, balanced diet plan for kids over 1 year old, especially if they're underweight or look malnourished. By the end, you'll know exactly what to feed your child to help them grow stronger and healthier. Milk is not enough. Let's start with the biggest mistake parents make: too much milk. After age 1, kids can't live on milk alone. Milk fills their stomach, but it doesn't give all the nutrients they need. The result? Weak bones, constipation, pale skin, and poor growth. The rule is simple: limit milk to 2 to 3 small cups a day. The rest should come from actual food, 3 proper meals, and 2 to 3 snacks daily. Avoid processed foods. Another mistake: junk food. Nuggets, fries, chips, and sugary juices might be easy, but they don't build healthy kids. They delay growth. Instead, give real food and make it fun. Use colorful plates, cut fruits into fun shapes, and make mealtime something your child looks forward to. Supplements if needed. If your child is very pale, weak, or tired all the time, they may have deficiencies like low iron, calcium, or zinc. Sometimes worms in the stomach are also the reason. If you see these signs, talk to your pediatrician. They may suggest supplements or a simple deworming treatment. Balanced diet plan. Now let's get into the actual meal plan. Breakfast: oatmeal with dates and nuts, or a small paratha with egg or lentils. Add fruit for extra vitamins. Snack: nuts for older kids, nut powder or paste for younger ones, plus fruit. Lunch: chicken with rice and veggies, or bread with curry, plus a boiled egg. Snack: yogurt with honey or mashed fruit. Dinner: pasta with chicken and vegetables, grilled fish with sweet potato, or multi-grain bread with stew. A small glass of milk before bed is fine. Golden rules. And here are my golden rules. Cut down on sugar and salt. Limit junk food. Introduce new foods slowly. Make meals colorful and fun. And be patient. Healthy growth takes time. So there you go, a simple, balanced diet plan for kids over 1 year old. Parents, remember, what you feed today shapes their tomorrow. If you found this helpful, hit like, share it with other parents, and subscribe for more child health tips. Drop your questions in the comments. I'd love to cover them in future videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.